If you're a student and you're still waiting for the right time to start making money online, this video is going to change how you think about that. Because the right time is between your classes, and the tool you need is already free on your phone. Here's the math. 3 simple services, 30 minutes each, 5 clients a week. That's over $200 from your dorm, your kitchen, your commute. No degree required, no startup capital, just a free AI tool and a workflow you're about to learn. Smart Money AI. Real strategies. Real results. Most AI side hustle videos will tell you to go broad. Start a blog, build a store, post content. That's fine, but broad takes months to pay off. Today we're going narrow. We're talking about microservices, specific repeatable tasks that small businesses and creators already need done, will pay for, and that you can complete in under 30 minutes using free AI tools like ChatGPT or Claude. Let's get into the first one. Content repurposing for creators. Right now, thousands of YouTubers are sitting on long-form videos with zero time to turn that content into LinkedIn posts, X threads, or newsletter blurbs. That's where you come in. You take their YouTube transcript, which is freely available under any video, paste it into ChatGPT or Claude, and use a simple prompt to extract 5 high-engagement social posts from it. Here's the exact prompt structure that works. You tell the AI, you're a social media strategist. From the transcript below, extract 5 LinkedIn posts. Each post should open with a bold hook, include one key insight from the video, and end with a question to drive comments. Keep each post under 200 words. That's it. Paste the transcript. Hit enter. In under 2 minutes, you have 5 ready-to-deliver posts. You charge $15 to $25 per video repurposed. A creator posting twice a week is a potential $50 weekly retainer. Find 5 of those, and the math speaks for itself. Where do you find them? Go to YouTube, filter by channels with 10 to 50,000 subscribers, big enough to care about their content, small enough that they don't have a full team. DM them on Instagram or email them directly. Your pitch is simple. I turn your YouTube videos into LinkedIn and X content, so you don't have to. That's service 1. Repeatable, scalable, 30 minutes max. The second service is prompt engineering for small businesses. This one sounds technical. It isn't. Every local business, the bakery, the barbershop, the boutique, is now trying to use AI to write their captions, their emails, their WhatsApp messages to customers. But they don't know how to talk to AI. Their results are generic. Their content sounds robotic. You fix that. What you're selling them is a custom tone, a voice prompt library. Basically a set of 5 to 10 ready-made prompts they can paste into ChatGPT anytime they need to write something. And every output sounds like their brand, not a template. Here's how you build it. You start by asking the business owner 3 questions. What 3 words describe your brand? Who is your ideal customer? Give me an example of something you've written that you actually liked. From those answers, you craft a master prompt that locks in their voice. Then you build variations. 1 for Instagram captions, 1 for promotional messages, 1 for responding to reviews. You package it as a simple Google document done. You charge $30 to $50 for the package. It takes you about 45 minutes the first time, 20 minutes once you've done it twice. Local businesses are the easiest clients to land for this. Walk in, show them a sample output in their industry, and let the result sell itself. Now here's the one I saved for last. And if you've been watching this far, this is the one that's going to hit different. Because this service doesn't just pay you once. It can turn into a recurring income stream with almost 0 extra work after the first setup. AI metadata optimization for YouTube creators. Every video on YouTube lives or dies by 3 things: the title, the description, and the tags. Most small creators get this completely wrong. They write titles that are too clever, descriptions that say nothing, and tags that nobody searches. And they have no idea why their views are flat. You come in with a tested AI framework and fix it for them. Here's the workflow. You take their existing video, the title, a rough description of what it covers and the target audience, and you run it through a structured prompt. The prompt tells the AI to generate 3 title options using curiosity gap psychology, a full SEO description under 200 words with a main keyword in the first line, and a tag set under 500 characters. You test the outputs, pick the strongest set, and deliver it as a clean document. The prompt looks like this. You're a YouTube SEO specialist. Based on the video topic below, write 3 title options using curiosity gap framing, a 150-word description with a primary keyword in the first sentence, and a tag list under 500 characters. Video topic, insert, clean, fast, deliverable in under 20 minutes per video. You charge $10 to $20 per video. Offer a bundle, 5 videos for $75. Creators who are actively uploading will come back every single week. That's your retainer. That's your recurring income. And here's the compounding piece. Once you've run this workflow 50 times, you start to see patterns. You know which title structures get clicks and which niches. That knowledge becomes an upsell. You offer a monthly metadata audit for $30. Now you're not just delivering a service, you're delivering expertise. This is how a 30-minute student workflow turns into a real freelance business. So let's bring it back to the math. Service 1, content repurposing. 5 clients at $20 each is $100 a week. Service 2, prompt libraries. 2 new businesses a week at $40 each is $80. Service 3, metadata optimization. A bundle client plus 2 single videos is roughly $95. That's over $270 in a week. From free tools, from your phone, between classes. You don't need to do all 3 from day one. Pick the one that fits your schedule, get your first 2 clients, then expand. The workflow is repeatable. The tools are free. The only thing between you and your first payment is sending the first message. If this gave you something real today, subscribe to Smart Money AI. We break down exactly how to use AI to build income, not just talk about it. Drop a comment below telling me which of these 3 services you're starting with. I read every single one.